All right, here we got my 1929 Chevy. It's got a 1968 inline Chevy 250, starting with the original cast iron exhaust manifold, single pipe, and a Thrush muffler. Plenty of exhaust leaks sounding crappy. Here are the dual exhaust headers that I fabricated. I don't think they're too bad considering they're the first set I've ever made. Of course, the only day I had to film this on the road had like the worst winds of the year, I think. And I'm putting dual exhaust on it tomorrow, so sorry about all the wind noise.